Today is not a day of work. We are not going to slave and work on mopeds, trailers, boats, cars, whatever. No, we are going on an epic rip on this right here, on this Honda Express 2. You're probably wondering, how can you, Kentucky Yankee as you well know, make this an epic rip? And I'll tell you how. We are going back to the original origins of this 1981 Honda Express 2. And where is that? Well, apparently, on the headlight, it says Mike's Cycle World. So guess what? We are going back to the beginning of this moped's life, Mike's Cycle Shop. Not too worried about the turn signals, but I would like to have a brake light. So this whole rack needs to be moved from here to my runner over there. So I took the time to bolt this new rack and light assembly back here onto this new ped. I took the two wood screws out that somebody had so thoughtfully put in there, and I removed this lens cover, and guess what? There is nothing in there. So, plan B. Other than a little bit of wind drag, I believe this is the absolute perfect solution to our problem. A slow-moving vehicle sign on a slow-moving moped. So I've got about a 30-mile ride one direction. So I'm bringing some extra petrol there on my front little rack. Hopefully everything goes well, guys. We'll see what happens. So yeah, a little weird. We're in my bathroom here, but I wanted to show you how I was going to record this epic journey. I've got my cam right here, my GoPro or whatever you call it, but the audio's not really that great on it. So my phone has good audio, so I'm going to take my phone and stuff it down here in my shirt, right here against it, and then you won't have any wind noise because my shirt will protect it from the wind, and we should have good audio and visual. And this is called being poor. Well, we're headed down this busy highway to start out with. I'm on the side of the road, not really legal, but we'll make it up to this back road, I hope. Woohoo! This is fun, though. I'm almost 30 miles an hour. Here's our turn. Yeah. Put a little hand signal up. Woo! Right turn, Vernon School. Here we go. It's always better to be on a back road, I'll tell you that. Gotta get my directions out here. Not sure what's the next way to turn. It's a nice day for a ride. It's supposed to thunderstorm later. I hope it does not thunderstorm until after I get back. But we'll take what we get. It's not a big deal. I'm all in the middle of the road. This is my road. Look out, this is my road, my moped. My moped ride. Get it, woo! And to the left, to the left. Big hill up ahead. Come on, baby, you can do this. Don't let the tubers down. Make it up this hill. What's the point of romping around if you can't stop to check out the cattle? Hey, cow. Look here. I'll get you a good view of them. There you go. Hey, cow. We riding a moped. Look out. Gotta go. Next stop. I believe this 2-speed transmission is a slick thing. Pretty cool. You can feel it. I know that much. Big hill. Big hill. 15 miles an hour around the curve. I think we can handle that. The back wheel is squawking a little bit. There's a truck, first one. I'm gonna wave to him. He waved back, so that all worked out good. Worked out great. downhill. Let's kick it. Kick it! There's 30. I'm scared to death. There's 32. Judging by the highway, we're about halfway there. Woohoo! I wonder if my buddy Eddie will buy me lunch when we get there. He might. He's a pretty good dude, I guess. I'm leaning into it like a motorbike race car driver. I mean, I lean into them corners big time. Lay it off. I'll lay it over on its side. Look out. Should I run this stop sign? Hey, watch this, guys. Watch this. I'm going to run right through this stop sign. I'm crazy. The Kentucky Yankee's crazy. Yeah, I did. I ran right through it. Whatever. I'm a rebel. I'm just a crazy person. Woo, I'm a crazy person. Another stop sign. I'm going to run it. No, I don't think I will. Looks a little dangerous here. Let's go straight. I could have ran it. I need to get my directions out. I don't know exactly where I'm going. Let's see what we have here for directions. Oh yeah, we're almost there, guys. Heck, lady just gave me the stink eye. Here's my first dog. Hey, doggy. Ah, he's fenced in. Woo, I'm glad to be off that road. So check it out. This is where this moped came from. The Mike's Cycle Shop, and I'll show you a picture of the sign. Check this place out. It's awesome. Oh, so can you see it there? This is it. Let's see if Eddie's here. I'm gonna beep the horn. Oh, hello, hello. And you are Evel Knievel, right?
Nope.
Don't worry, I won't put you on if you don't want to be. Is Eddie back there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go and get Eddie. I made it, Eddie. And I'm recording you. Look, I got my cam on here, see? And voice recording. Tell everybody who you are.
Eddie Parsley.
And we are friends because we used to work together how many years ago, Eddie?
20 plus years.
20 plus years. All right, guys, and this is behind the scenes filming. I'm gonna get Eddie. Look at the showroom. They have everything, absolutely everything here. Dirt bikes, go-karts, motorcycles, UTVs, lawn mowers. Eddie, do you sell chainsaws? Not here, right?
No.
Everything other than that, though, right?
Yes, sir.
See how polite Eddie is? He even calls me sir when he knows I'm a heathen. Eddie, you're very camera friendly. Did you know that? Does Evel Knievel want to see this moped too or not? If he does, tell him come on. If he don't, let's go and look at it. I want to show you. I got to show you something.
Come on, Cam. Come here a second.
Now look out here, guys. Here, you hold the door. Let me capture the picture on your faces when you see this 1981 Honda moped. That's right. And look where it came from. I want you guys to look right here. Look there. You see that? In 1981, that was sold at this very shop, wasn't it? Brand new.
Very cool. Very cool.
And who sold it? Eddie?
That would have been me.
Oh.
Yeah, Eddie. I'm a little too young for that.
Oh, you are. Anyways, I went on my epic journey today. I traveled 30 miles to be with you two folks and show you this old Honda moped and enjoy your company.
Appreciate you coming by. Always.
Well, thank you.
It's an honor.
And it started raining a little bit. I'm gonna wait for the shower to pass and we will head on back to the house. Raining, windy, and stormy. Alright, we're riding in the rain. I thought, why not record this too? I don't know how it's gonna come out. It's pelting me in the face. This rain, it feels like airsoft guns being shot at me. I have no glasses. Hey, here's that stop sign we ran right here. Haha! Gonna run it again. Woo! I am a crazy person. I don't know, you guys want me to wipe you off? I'll try. There you go. You're clear for a minute, but it's raining pretty good. There's a lot of miserable people in the world, and the reason why is because they don't ride mopeds in the rain. Everybody just needs to get out and have a little fun. Like I'm doing. Like I always do. Our little moped's making it up every single hill we challenge it to. No problems. When I set off to find the origins of my 1981 Honda Express 2, I told you guys it would be an epic journey. And guess what? It was just that. The weather was awesome. The ride was awesome. In spite of the rain, you know, that pelted me on the way back a little bit, but that was no big deal. When I arrived at Mike's Cycle Shop, I was firstly greeted by Tab, that is T-A-B-B, who is actually Evel Knievel. Now, Eddie and I believe him to be Evel Knievel. He says he's not. This is one of those things, kind of like an unsolved mystery. Nobody will ever know. I don't think he knows. All I know is I did see a picture of him on a dirt bike jumping over like 50 cars. And this is no modern day dirt bike. This is old school 1974. My buddy Eddie was a very gracious host, showed me everything around there that was going on, showed me the new Honda Monkey. Have you guys seen these things? A Honda Monkey. They're a 125 like an old Trail 70, except modern now and just awesome. And just a plug for my buddy Eddie, he has to be one of the most talented mechanics that I have ever met in my entire life. He's very conscious about what he does. He worries about what he does. He wants to do the best he can for everyone. He never wants to rip anybody off or any kind of foolishness like that. He's just a stand-up guy. The owner of the business, Mike, he came out, talked to me, checked the moped out. I mean, he really checked it out. He thought he even knew, possibly, who he sold it to knew. We talked about all my camera equipment, my YouTube channel, stuff like that. He too, a stand-up guy, just a regular old dude who started this business from nothing. He's very successful now. He has 2 shops as far as I know, one in Glasgow and Bowling Green. He may have more, I really don't know. Very interesting man, very interesting history behind how he started his businesses. So this is not a paid promotion or anything like that, guys. I don't want you to get me wrong. It's just I do want to support businesses in our area that I think a lot of. And this happens to be one. They're just, you know, it's just a cool place for me to go and hang out. These guys are always real friendly and nice to me. So why not give them a little support? If you're anywhere in South Central Kentucky, near Bowling Green or Glasgow, and you are interested in an ATV, UTV, anything like that, check out Mike's Cycle World. And yes, by all means, tell them the Kentucky Yankee sent you. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I enjoyed not having to work on crap today and just, you know, ripping and riding, having a good time visiting with friends. We'll see you next time, guys.